Hey everyone, welcome to this tutorial where we'll take a simple prompt, turn it into a fully functional falling objects game using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, and document the entire process. By the end of this video, you'll see how AI can help you brainstorm ideas and write code, and you'll have a cool game to show off. Let's get started. First, we'll start by generating a detailed prompt for our game. This prompt will outline the game's objective, mechanics, design, and features. We'll use this as a blueprint to guide our development process. Here's the prompt we'll use. Read the prompt aloud. This ensures we have a clear vision of what we're building. Next, we'll input this prompt into an AI chat interface and refine it based on the AI's suggestions. The AI helps us clarify our ideas and ensures we haven't missed any important details. This collaborative process makes it easier to turn our vision into reality. With our prompt finalized, let's set up our project. Create a new folder and open it in your favorite code editor. Inside the folder, create 3 files. Index.html for the structure, styles.css for the design, and script.js for the game logic. Now, let's start coding. We'll begin with the HTML, creating a simple structure with a game container, a basket for catching objects, and a score display. The HTML is minimal because most of the magic happens in CSS and JavaScript. Now let's make it look cool with CSS. Style the player, add falling objects, and make everything pop. Watch this. Time for the magic. Use JavaScript to move the player, create falling objects, and detect collisions. Let's bring this game to life. And that's it. You just built a game in 2 minutes. Customize it, share it, and let me know what you create. Like and subscribe for more fun coding tutorials. Happy coding!